Hi, I will show you how to masking a text on After Effects. Thank you so much for being here. It will truly mean the world to me if you hit that subscribe button. Thank you. Let's say I have this footage to be masked and I will prepare a text. On the footage layer, take a look at the trackpad and choose the text layer, and now the mat is on. Using this icon, you can also invert the masking between the text and footage. Now I will create a fade-in masking transition by duplicating the footage and choose No Matte. And then create an animation on the opacity by decreasing the opacity on the last second. And this is the final result. Thanks for watching. Feel free to drop any question in the comment below. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content. See you!